Hello YouTubers, just a very quick video on a maintenance tip if you got a motorbike. I just saw some unmentionable sort of dark slime stuff coming out from near the front sprocket there, so I thought I'd take the cover off, and here's the cover, and this is what we're talking about. Have a look at this, absolutely incredible. So absolutely tons of that. So I don't think it's a 2018 model CBF. CB650F. I'm so enthralled by this black gunk here, I lost my line of thought there, but it's absolutely everywhere. So I'm going to give it a really good clean with some. I'm going to get the worst of it off, just scrape it off, and then perhaps give it a clean with some brake cleaner and just get it all nice and clean, because all that stuff in there is harbouring a lot of grit and everything, which just works its way back onto the chain and places where you don't really want it. So I'm going to give that a good clean, and then we'll have another look at it there. So I'm just using good old-fashioned brake and clutch cleaner. So let's have a look what it looks like once I'm done. Well, that's just stage one. I haven't actually got around to cleaning it properly, and that's what I've managed to remove from the sort of front sprocket guard and around the front sprocket area there. So we'll continue with that and give it a good clean. Let it be said, there's some serious cleaning going on here. I mean, for example, I didn't even know that was silver till this sort of flange piece here. I didn't even realise that was silver till I gave that a good clean. If I could even be a bit fussier if I really tried. There's that case. Hope you remember what it looked like before, but there's the evidence of the cleaning that's been going on down here. And it is really gritty sort of grease there, you know. It's got all sorts of bits in there, found like even bits of hair nearly, and so you know that can work its way back into the chain. So we're giving everything a really good clean. And spotting that should be getting fussy now. Oh, there we go. But a tiny bit more and I'll put it all together. But yeah, just a really simple maintenance job. I think there's two little Allen keys holding that on, and whipped it off, and another job that anybody can do. So crack on with it, and a nice, very satisfying job as well. You can sort of see it from one extreme to the other, and maybe that'll be good for a couple of years then. That's been, the bike's about 3.5 years old. I'm pretty sure that hasn't been removed since factory. So just the usual, like and subscribe, and happy motorcycling.